What's going on, everybody? Joe Greco here. Today we're out on Candlewood Lake doing a little bass fishing tournament here with the TBF Connecticut. I got on a good smallmouth bite here 2 days ago. Just rigging up right now, and I'll see you guys when I hook into a fish. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hooked up. It's a decent one. Yes, there we go. Alright, that's a good start. Little, probably 1 pound smallie on a crankbait. Balsa BX Brat. Should keep. Let me just measure them. Oh yeah, he'll keep. There's one. Oh yeah, she dumped it good. Oh, she's on the trolling motor. No! 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 Fish wrapped me around the trolling motor. God. Come on. I needed that fish, man. That was a good one. That was a good one. I needed that. Hooked up. Oh, it's a good one. Yes. 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 There we go. Nice 3 pound largemouth on that BX Brat. Saving the day. Drop that one on the jig. Still in it. Still in it. That's some good weight. Some real good weight. Let's go, baby. Let's go. You're in it. You're in it. Let's go. Don't give up. Don't give up. He wasn't coming off this one. He was sucked good. Here's one. Okay, there we go. There's a little guy. He should keep. He should definitely keep. A little Kitech football jig. A little net big pack of chunk. Alright guys, so I wound up with 6 pounds for the day. Pretty disappointed, thought I would get a little more weight, but I did lose that one fish on a jig that had to be around 3 pounds, and then I had another like 2-pound fish follow me up on a crankbait, so it's good to see that I got enough action. Like I saw 5 fish, I had one other one on, and I mean, for being out there one day this year so far and fishing a tournament on my second day, caught 3 fish, had another bite, and saw another bass, so can't really complain about that. It's a good day on the water. Other than that, guys, I hope you're enjoying these videos. If you are, please give them a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.